Welcome to IT Vision Enterprises Solution to Pass Question in BECE Mathematics. Section A Objectives. Year 2015. Questions 1 to 20. I am Lawrence Danso-Amoako, alias Kapiri Imposi. I am going to be your facilitator. June 2015, Mathematics 1, Objective Test, Duration 1 hour. List the members of the set Q equals prime factors of 30. We shall use the method of elimination to solve this question. The right answer should contain only prime numbers. 10 is not a prime number because the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and then 10. So B cannot be the right answer. 15 is not a prime number because the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. So C cannot be the right answer. 15 here is not a prime number. So this cannot be the right answer. So obviously the right answer is A. Now let us confirm this by finding the factors of 30. 30. 2 goes here, 15. 3 goes here, 5. 5 goes here, 1. So the prime factors of 30 are 2, 3, and 5. Question 2. Given that set P equals M, N, O, P, find the numbers of subsets of P. There are 4 elements of P. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of subsets is going to be 2 raised to the power 4, which equals to 16. So the answer is D. Question 3. If the set M equals multiples of 4 between 10 and 25, and N equals even numbers between 11 and 23, find M union N. Now M will be equal to 12, 16, 20, 24. And then N will be equal to 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Now let us write down M union N. We shall combine the elements of M and N, writing down each element only once. So 12, 16, 20, 24. We've already written down 12, 14, not yet. We've already written down 16, 18. We've already written down 20, so 22. Now let us arrange in ascending order. We shall get 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, then 20, then 22, then 24. So the answer is D. Question 4. What is the place value of 7 in 24.376? The answer is D, 100. The place value of the 3 is 10th, the 7 100th, and the 6 1000th. Question 5. Find the highest common factor of 24, 42, and 72. we shall first find the product of the prime factors of 24, then 42, then 72. So for 24, 2 goes into 24, 12. 2 goes into 12, 6. 2 goes into 12, 3. 3 goes into 12, 1. So 24 equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now 42. 2 goes in 21. 3 goes in 7. 7 goes in 1. So 42 equals 2 times 3 times 7. Then 72. 2 goes in 36. 2 goes in 18. 2 goes in 9. 3 goes in 3. 3 goes in 1. So 72 equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Therefore, HCF equals to 2 is common. So 2. Then 3 common. So 3. So the answer is 2 times 3, that is 6b. Question 6. Express 120 to the base 5 as a number in base 10. We shall first write 1, 2, 0, plus, and then plus. Then base 5, 5 raised to the power 0, times 5 raised to the power 1, times 5 raised to the power 2. This is 25 plus 10 plus 0. So 35. So the answer is D. Question 7. If P times Q times R equals 1197 and P equals 19, Q equals 3, find R. That is P times Q times R equals 1197. We shall substitute P and Q. So 19 times 3 times R to be equal to 1197. We shall divide through the equation by 19 times 3. 19 times 3. This will cancel this. So R equals 1197 divided by 19 times 3. 3 goes here 1. 3 goes into 11. 3. That's 9. Carry 2, 29. 3 goes into 29. 9. 27. 9. So it's 399 divided by 19. 19 goes here 1. 19 goes 2, 38. Carry 1, 21. So the answer is 21. So A. Question 8. How many integers are within the interval? S is greater than minus 5. S is less than 7. That is S is less than 7 and S is greater than minus 5. The above can be written as S is less than or equal to 6 and greater than or equal to minus 4, because minus 5 and then 7 are not part of the interval. Now 0 is one integer within the range, so I'll write 1 for 0. To the left of 0 we've got 4 integers, that is plus 4, and to the right of 0 we've got 6 integers plus 6. So the total will be 11. So in all, there are 11 integers. So the answer is B. We shall illustrate this with a normal line. From this, the integers are 11 in number. Question 9. Divide 1.612 by 0.4. That is 1.612 divided by 0.4. We shall convert the denominator into a whole number by multiplying by 10. Therefore, the numerator has to be multiplied by 10. And we shall get 16.12 divided by 4. 4 goes here 1. 4 goes here 4.03. So the answer is B. Question 10. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. 5 over 8, 11 over 20, 7 over 10. That is 5 over 8, 11 over 20, and then 7 over 10. We shall divide 5 by 8. So 8 into 5. 0 over here, 50. 6, 48. Carry 2, 0. Then 2, 16, 4, 0, 5. So this equals to 0.625. Now, 20 into 11. 0 over here. So 500, then 10. 0, 5. So 0.55. And this one here is 0.7. So the lowest is 1, followed by 2, followed by 3. So the order is 11 over 20, followed by 5 over 8, followed by 7 over 10. And this is C. So the answer is C. Question 11. Abraham spent 1/5 of her money on sweets, 4 over 7 on provisions, and the rest on Gary. What fraction of her money did he spend on Gary? Now, the total spent on sweets and provisions equals to 1 over 5 plus 4 over 7. The LCM is 35. 5 goes into 35, 7. 7 goes into 35, 5 times 4. So we shall get 7 plus 20 all over 35, which equals to 27 over 35. Now, to find the fraction spent on Gary, we shall subtract 27 over 35 from 1. This can be written as 35 over 35 minus 27 over 35, which equals to LCM 35 minus 27, which equals to 8 over 35. So the answer is C. Question 12. If 5 boys took 14 days to cultivate a piece of land, how long will it take 7 boys working at the same rate to cultivate the land? 5 boys took 14 days. Therefore, 7 boys will take less days, if less. So 5, 7 times 14 days. 7 goes here 1, 7 goes here 2, and the answer equals 10 days. So the answer is C. Question 13. A man invested 800 Ghana cedis in a bank at a simple interest of 5% per annum. Find his total amount in the bank at the end of 1 year. We know that the interest I equals to the principal times the time times the rate. The principal is 800, the time is 1 year, and the rate is 5/100. That's 5%. This will cancel this, and we shall be left with 40. The amount in the bank is going to be equal to the principal plus the interest, which equals to 800 plus 40, which equals to 840 Ghana cedis. So the answer is A. Question 14. John sold a car for 60,000 Ghana cedis and made a profit of 20%. What is the cost price of the car? If the cost price of the car is 100% and John sold the car for 20%, then the selling price will be 120%. And this corresponds to 60,000. Therefore, the cost price, that's 100%, is going to give you less. If less, more device. So 100 over 120 times 60,000. Zeros will cancel. 12 goes here 1. 12 goes here 5. 0, 0, 0. Times 10, we shall get 50,000. So the answer is B. Question 15. What is the value of S if 10 raised to the power S equals 1,000? That is 10 raised to the power S equals 1,000. This can be written as 10 raised to the power S to be equal to 10 raised to the power 3. So S equals 3. So the answer is C. In 16, express 625.13 in standard form. We are to express 625.13 in the standard form. In the standard form, there should be only one digit to the left of the decimal point. To obtain that from this figure, we shall shift the decimal point 1, 2 places to the left. This is equivalent to dividing this figure by 1 with 2 zeros, that is 100. So, says 225.13 divided by 100 times 100. Since we've divided by 100, this will cancel this. So this is equivalent to 6.2513. Then 100 is 10 squared. In short, when we are given 625.13 to convert into the standard form, we shall shift the decimal point 2 places to get 6.2513. And since we shifted the decimal point 2 places, we shall multiply by 10 raised to the power 2. So the answer is C. Question 17. Find the median of the numbers 17, 12, 15, 16, 8, 18, 13, and 14. We shall arrange the numbers in ascending order. The smallest is 8, followed by 12, followed by 13, followed by 14, followed by 15, followed by 16, followed by 17, and then 18. There are 8 numbers. The center is located between 14 and 15. So the median equals 14 plus 15 divided by 2, which equals to 29 divided by 2, which equals to 14.5. So the answer is C. Question 18. The ages in years of 10 children at a party are 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 6. If a child is chosen at random, what is the probability that she or she is not less than 5 years old? These are the ages: 2, 3, 3, 3, then 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, and then 6. The total number of children equals 10. A child not less than 5 years means is either 5 or 6 years. Thus, within this range. And then they are 1, 2, 3, 4 in number. So the probability is going to be equal to 4 divided by 10, which equals to 2 divided by 5. So the answer is B. Question 19. Expand into brackets 2s plus y times into brackets 2s minus y. That is 2s plus y times 2s minus y. Let us multiply 2. We shall multiply 2s by 2s. That is 2s times 2s. Then we shall multiply 2s times minus y. That is 2s times minus y. Then we shall multiply y times 2s. That is y times 2s. Then we shall multiply y times minus y. That is y times minus y. So 4s squared over here minus 2sy plus 2sy minus y squared. This will cancel this. So we shall be left with 4s squared minus y squared. So the answer is B. Question 20. Find the value of n if 25.003 equals into brackets 2 times 10 plus into brackets 5 times 1 plus into brackets 3 times n. That is 25.003 to be equal to 2 times 10 into brackets plus 5 times 1 plus 3 times n. This equals to 20 plus 5 plus 3n to be equal to 25.003, or 20 plus 5 is 25 plus 3n to be equal to 25.003. So 3n equals to 25.003 minus 25, which equals to 0.003 to be equal to 3n. Therefore, dividing through by 3, we shall get n to be equal to, this goes here, 0.001. So the answer is A.